Now that we know the NOT gate, let's look at the first logic gate with two inputs, the AND gate. Let's fully understand how it works in under 2 minutes. The AND gate is a digital logic device with two inputs, A and B, and one output, Y. Its IEEE symbol has a straight back for inputs and a smooth rounded curve on the right. The Boolean expression is Y equals A and B, written as Y equals a dot B or simply Y equals AB. Here's the key rule. Both inputs must be high for the output to be high. If A is 0 and B is 0, Y is 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, Y is 0. If A is 1 and B is 0, Y is 0. Only when both A and B are 1 does the output Y become 1. To lock this in permanently, picture two light switches wired in series along a single wire. If either switch is open, electricity can't reach the bulb. Both switches must be closed together for the bulb to light up. That's in logic, both inputs must be 1. You'll see AND gates everywhere in real-world systems. They're used in safety interlocks where a machine only starts if the guard door is closed and the start button is pressed. They're used in security systems requiring two conditions to unlock, and they're a core building block inside computer adders. So, two inputs, one output, and both must be 1. That's the AND gate. Subscribe because the OR gate is next.